So hello guys, we all use social media in a way or in another. But if you want to use social media properly to market your offers or to do business generally, you have to know uh, about the strategies, how to get the most out of your social media. You can see so many people are using social media in this way, promoting their offers and collecting leads and followers, and at the same time making money. But it's very hard to make it work because the factor of or the component of like, like and trust is very, very important by doing this. Well, if you want to use social media for your business and you want to get the most out of it, you are not an expert, you don't know how to do it, there will be a training tomorrow where the guy will show you exactly what to do and how to get the most out of social media. See you soon and have an amazing day, everyone.